Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim. In today's Let's See If This Works, I'm going to take power paste to the bottom of 2 of my pans and 1 cookie sheet. I saw an Instagram post where they did a teapot and it took like a minute of scrubbing. Now granted, the small spot that they showed for the minute of scrubbing, but it turned out really well. So what I decided to do is take the power paste onto the bottom of the pans. I let the cookie sheet sit the longest, probably about 30 minutes. The pan here that I'm cleaning now, this sat the shortest because it wasn't too bad. I showed you in the beginning of the video the good, the bad, and the ugly. Well, this was the good. So I figured I could go kind of right in on this and start working on it. I will say in the post they used the Scrub Mommy sponge that comes with the power paste. I decided to switch out the sponge because it just wasn't working. So I grabbed one of my, this is like a copper steel wool kind of thing that I get from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a 2-pack for the $1.25. And I found that this worked a little bit better. Okay, so about 5 minutes of scrubbing and this is what it looks like now. It does look a lot better. It did take a lot of elbow grease with the copper scrubber. I'm going to move on to the next pan. This was the bad pan. This sat for probably about 20 minutes with the power paste on the back, so let's work on this. Okay, so after about 5 minutes of scrubbing this is what it looks like. I'm going to move on to the cookie sheet. I'm only going to scrub right in the center for about 5 minutes. This one sat the longest for about 30 minutes with the power paste on it. Okay, I will say this one did the best, but this was my good. This was bad. It was okay. I got some of it off that I really scrubbed at. The thing is, I thought I wasn't going to have to scrub as much. This was the ugly, and it's still ugly. Would I say I would use it again? No. I will try something else because I don't know that it helped any more than me just getting in here and scrubbing it with a Brillo pad. I think it kind of worked the same with Brillo pad and dish soap, so I won't use that again.